wanted to talk a little bit about Kogarashi, or a cold wind that ushers in winter. Hi, I'm Josh, and welcome to Shizen Style. Kogarashi is a part of Japanese aesthetics, as it's a unique poetic nature word that we really don't have a word for in English. And I think it's yet another way for you to connect with nature and the seasons. So I've got myself a little photography project of trying to capture something as abstract as Japanese aesthetic, or a philosophy of beauty. And if the season fits, I'd encourage you to get out there and do the same. Kogarashi is a beautiful Japanese word that translates to tree-withering wind, derived from the characters for tree, ki, and wither, karashi. Kogarashi symbolizes the changing of the seasons from autumn to winter, but on a deeper level, it gives us an opportunity to reflect on what we would call impermanence, or mujo. I tried to capture some photographic scenes and moments of Kogarashi in this video to share with you the beauty of the seasons changing. At a time when some people think of everything as dying and getting ready to hunker down for winter, I want you to see that by appreciating nature for what it is, that beauty can elevate our mood and creativity. Visuals in my photographs and this video overall can help you to get out there and explore how this nature concept is yet another interconnected piece of Japanese aesthetics. It's the cold and sharp wind that blows through and lets you know that winter has arrived. As the characters in Kogarashi describe, it's this wind that comes through and blows the remaining withered leaves on the tree. Some leaves are still clinging on for dear life, while a handful fall with each pounding gust that kicks up. This time of year, you can see many trees that have already lost their leaves, and a few that are still hanging on for a few more days. Chilly gusts come through and rustle the remaining withered leaves, but we know it won't be long before the quiet beauty of winter surrounds us. Kogarashi leads us to use our imagination and reflect on how all things are in a state of flux. This is mujo, or impermanence, or transience. Everything in the natural world is always changing. It's the aging process, our thoughts and feelings arising, changing, and passing away. There is no one reality. The way each one of us sees the world is different and is also transient. In Japanese poetry and literature, Kogarashi can sometimes be used to convey a sense of loneliness or desolation, with winter right around the corner. But if you can begin to interpret this as solitude and not loneliness, this can become a positive thing. The famous haiku poet Basho used Kogarashi in the following poem. Kogarashi ni iwa fukitogaru, sugima kana. The north winds blow, the rocks sharpened among the cedars. We all need solitude from time to time. I like to experience solitude through my nature photography, playing my shakuhachi bamboo flute, or strolling through a Japanese garden, if given the opportunity. It's a chance to reset and center myself. Kogarashi is the perfect word to capture the experience of going for a walk in late autumn, letting that cold wind hit your face, and realizing that the scene you are looking at will all be changing in the next few weeks with winter on the way. If you like these kind of short delves into Japanese aesthetics, please let me know down below, and I'll go deeper on a lot of other terms such as the wabi-sabi, and you know, you've probably seen my Yugen video. And let me know if there was a particular photo that I got that resonates with you and the term Kogarashi.